40 minus 1 gives us 39. And here we have 4 minus 4, which equals 0. So 39 times 0 equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression we have two subtractions and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, because multiplication comes before subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 1 times 4 gives us 4. So we have 40 minus 4, and again here we have minus 4. Now we have to do this subtraction. 40 minus 4 gives us 36. So 36 minus 4, which equals 32. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 32.